What's up guys, Mr. Eric here. In front of me today, I do have a Moto Z3 Play from Motorola, which I'll be doing a quick unboxing and review. So let's get started. So as soon as you get the box, very nice box, feels very premium. It is already open just because we did buy it from Sprint and we have to activate it and install everything. So once you open it up, you get the device right away. Information about it, you get the little pin tool, the SD card. So then inside you have the fast turbo power charger that is USB Type-C. You also get the cables and the dongle for the device. So this device is rocking a QUALCOMM SNAPDRAGON 636. It is a mid-range octa-core processor and it reaches 1.8 gigahertz processing, which complements it well with the 4 gigabytes of RAM that's included in the device. Storage-wise, it does come in two capacities. First one being 32 gigabytes, the second one 64. The one that I do have in front of me is 32 gigabytes and it's expandable through SD card, through micro SD. The display is actually very well. It's a 6.01 FHD Super AMOLED display. It's rocking a 2160 by 1080p Full HD. I do have a clip from Infinity War with Hulk versus Thanos, just because I'm pretty excited for Endgame.
Will shine on us again.
Your optimism is misplaced.
Well, for one thing, I'm not Asgardian. And for another, we have the Hulk.
Let him have his fun.
The screen is absolutely clear. I don't see any problems with it. It looks even better in real life. I do have the protector for it just because I did order from Amazon. Camera wise, it has a 12 megapixel back camera. Front facing camera is 8 megapixels. The battery on this device is absolutely enormous. It's 3000 milliamps and it does last all day. The turbo power inbox charger, it does charge very quickly. The iOS is Android 8.1. It is very snappy. I'm an iPhone user, and all I gotta say is this operating system is absolutely great. And like I mentioned, it does have a USB Type-C. They did get rid of the headphone jack. This phone does not include water resistance, so careful while taking this in the shower or anything like that. The top glass is Gorilla Glass 3, and you're able to put Moto mods on it. It didn't come with any inside, but my honest opinion about this phone is that it's great for what you're paying for. This phone retails right now for $360. We did do a leasing plan with Sprint. We got it for $15 a month, so for what it offers and the specs that it has, $360 is absolutely great.